fun?
Shit, man.
Is it good?
Totally different. It's like, it's an animal.
Hello, welcome to another video. Today, me and Matthew are off to... Where should we go? Where should we go?
I don't know. Yeah, wherever. Sun's out.
Sun's out, boys are out, bikes are out. Let's go to the beach. I just fancy an ice cream for lunch.
Yeah, fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
Traditional.
Totally different.
It's totally different.
Totally different.
In one way. Obviously the sitting position.
Yeah, that's quite different to get used to. But it's like, it's an animal. It's so flickable. Like, way more than mine.
You think?
Yeah, way more.
Shit, man, that's crazy.
It's amazing. So cool.
Yeah, boy. Do it. Let's go find some roads.
Wow, didn't quite make it to get an ice cream. Various different reasons, including like engine lights. But we have had an awesome day and we've ended up finding some pretty awesome roads.
Twisties for days. Oh man.
I reckon we've probably done about 5 different counties today. Like Hertfordshire, Bedfordshire, Cambridgeshire,
Suffolk, pushing into Norfolk a bit. Yeah.
Essex, definitely. So we've got a little bit well before we get home. So hopefully we've got some good footage of some of our experiences today.
Before we go, berry fish and chips for life.
Shout out. See you on the next video.